Thank you.
Everybody. Right.
Builds his tea bag with loads of milk and that. Oh.
How's the tea?
Bad. Do you leave the tea bag in the tea?
Making videos for your YouTube channel.
I can share with you.
I don't know if I can get that.
Lots of milk again.
Oh wow.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Hello. Is it hot water inside or cold water?
Good.
That's nice feeling. Alright. I guess I'm done here.
Who's already hungry?
I can't believe I'm saying this, but I am getting hungry. Which this morning I thought was impossible.
Yes.
Alright.
Cucumber. No, it's zucchini. Yeah.
You call it zucchini?
Is it zucchini or cucumber? I think cucumber.
Cucumber.
Yeah, it's a big one. They're so tasty when you try it. It's really nice with some pepper and salt on it.
You don't call it a courgette?
I do it. Yeah, yeah. But this is a cucumber.
Do you call it zucchini or do you call it
This is
Courgette.
satisfying.
I say courgette. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah?
Wash it.
Yeah. No one needs to do it again?
Is it done? Not yet.
No problem.
No, is it done? No. Okay.
Can always be better.
Oh my god. That's weird.
It's okay.
Oh my god. Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah. What you want to do it is you need to squeeze it
Yeah.
to here.
Squeeze the juice in there.
Yes.
Ah, so we all did it wrong.
No, it's okay. Take a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. I need to put the juice here. No, it's fine.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
Yeah. So I just want to wash it out.
Akka medi koidana ehema tiyanne kiwe. Hari avulu.
Yeah, but it's never going to go totally through.
Good. After squeeze it, you can put it over there. You can do it.
I just washed my hair.
Oh my god. You have to wash your hands like 100 times when you're preparing a Sri Lankan curry.
Or maybe maybe you never wash your hands, and that's when it tastes really good. I swear to God, my Italian grandma does not wash her hands. And I'm thinking, oh, I thought you said hands. No, I did say hands.
Yeah.
The last class I was in, he chopped the garlic and then the ginger, and then he was like, smell your hands, and the ginger like completely took it over.
Like lining up at school.
Must be familiar.
Yeah, it is. It is. Straight line, everybody. Oh my god, too close to home.
I reckon everything should go in.
Everybody,
Everything?
Yeah, no, I do have pretty features.
see you.
Yeah.
You have to go more English.
No,
You said that you have like a different voice.
I have like yeah, more.
I was going and sent me a voice note this morning because I was so
Nice.
You alright?
Maybe that would be nicer than just staying here.
You mixed her up. I poured her in. You mixed her up.
Do you trust me with it?
I trust you with it.
Some people mix their salad
Yeah.
like that, like with the dressing.
Mixing.
Tell the bitches.
I feel like you deserve to be able to do some mixing.
Yeah.
Get your hands in that.
Are we just mixing in the spices and onions?
Yes.
Should I stop?
No. It was so satisfying to watch.
It is quite satisfying to do actually. Do this all day.
And it looks really good.
Well,
Yeah. Next, please.
Next.
is everyone just chilling with hands?
Find out.
Oh no. Only an overboard.
It's okay.
Okay.
What's it say on the back of your phone? Can you remember who you were before the world told you to be? Oh, very good.
Next.
That's poetic.
Very good. Yeah. Speaks to the heart.
It goes in deep.
Yeah.
Oh. What's next?
That was next.
I guess I am. This must be delicious after all.
Yeah.
All this massaging.
5 massage.
You like?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
Like I don't know too much about it. Like I'm pretty chill with.
Then it's better to stay around here.
Right.
Down there is more communities or village.
That is also.
Put
I
everything
wish
in, I
her.
guess.
Let me speak to him about that.
Do you know how like is there a difference in the price as well?
She knows.
Oh, it's a bit much maybe.
No, more.
No leaves.
Please later.
Next.
Next, please. Okay. Don't,
Not too fast.
not too much.
That's one thing I have noticed. Is we've got a lot of salt in the food.
Here?
No, more.
Yes.
I will complete the whole thing.
Oh, I see. We're just going off one plate, so it doesn't actually matter how much you put in. I thought everyone was going from their own plate. I thought, oh my god, this is total chaos. Like,
Okay,
we
turmeric,
could end up.
salt,
I thought that.
curry powder,
Okay, it's making a bit more sense now. I wouldn't have taken
Pepper.
That's pepper.
pepper, and the chili powder.
Coconut is all over my nails.
Alright. Next, please.
Next, please.
Thank you. Next. Is that salt?
Yeah.
Grande. How does it go?
Thank you.
Next.
Wouldn't be a fan of a brain horse on. It's on the radio?
Have you seen the video though where she imitates all the singers?
No.
It's fucking incredible.
Her range
Yeah,
is
it's
exceptional.
crazy. She honestly, it's like Mariah Carey. Who else does she do?
Whitney, I think.
Whitney Houston. And it's if you close your eyes, you can barely tell the difference.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
an
and
that's
she does like 3 or 4, and she
that's
does
in
them
an
all
interview
incredible.
she does, isn't it?
It's like a skit on Saturday Night
Yeah,
Live.
yeah.
Is it Saturday Night Live?
Yeah.
One of those.
Hey, your man, black hair,
Yeah, man.
your man. Sorry, that was a lot of salt. It's all going in anyway. I don't think I put in this today. Watch out.
Go again.
It's all going in anyway.
Exactly. You did it twice.
Lot of spicy.
I bet you at the end they sweep the plate. Bloody difference.
Yeah, but if all of this is going in,
Yeah, I was worried.
we've saved it.
Who is last for you, I guess?
Do I just put the rest in?
Yes, yes, yeah. You can put it all. That's right. Yeah, you can put it all. Yeah, put it all.
Everything's gonna be alright. Nice.
Good woman. Clean up the place.
We really need some extra curry powder.
And this one?